like Phoenix. My city and state never ever seen this. Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. On the futon, I'ma give it that. When it done, I'ma fill up arenas. Ooh, like Gilbert Arenas. Shoot my shot, I'm still with the demons. Ooh, I keep it thorough. I got 5 chicks in New York, that means 1 in each borough. I'm in the pocket like Burrow. When I'm back home, no, they treat me like Robert De Niro. Took her to Taco Bell, bought her a churro. Took her home. Now I got a €1. Zeros on zeros on zeros. That's what my bank account balance say. I got a check from a shoe company. Now I do anything the New Balance say. I bought her a plane to get out of state. I got me a shorty from Roundaway. Said I'm in town today. She said she coming over and she down to stay. I got a hit, she been playing it. So when she pull up on me, I know what she bout to say. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Callin' my tell her bring me that real good shit scholar. I like a thing with low mileage, good with no college. Call me the baby, no Tyler. I'm real creative and stylish. F in my denim. I send that hit, make them spin 'em. And I just flew back from LA on the jet yesterday. I go back and forth like I play tennis. I with your yeah, I feel for it. Still on the Billboard, the #1 song in UK. And now they got so rich, all these I still don't give what you say. Like a Pac-Man, but like I'm I just put up in the Batmobile. The reason I ain't with the rap, cause they caps and they raps ain't real. Believe me, you wanna keep your life and take it easy. I'm rocking water diamonds, need a water down, they drinking Fiji. My whip is orange and brown like I'm in Cleveland. My look like a soda. These title tellers, I'm a soldier. Hey, somebody tell them that it's over. You know it's baby.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton.
That scattered, I caught her. I'm out here with somebody's daughter. She calling me daddy. I'm somebody's father. I gotta go diss it. I when I go kiss it. I put my lips on it like somebody watered the diamond, the glacier, the card in the wallet. She put up the but nobody caught it. She told me that she wasn't feeling my music. She told me it's nobody harder, and I'm with the G ski. I need that for the free ski. We are not buying no you sell it on P Street. It's so much work on my celly. I had to go tell all my email it to reach me. All in my DM, I follow your BM. She played with the Krosky. We used to on a low ski. She used to lie on my bed and go lie to your face and say I'm just a broski. You knows me, you ain't believe it, you wanted to toast me. I had it standing as long as a ruler in case you was coolin' and wanna approach me. Dropped the Bentayga, came back in the culling and she wanna now when that tongue again stuck it so deep that she cough up a lung again. 5 stars, they on the run again, running in diamonds, they illuminating the way that I come again. I just put so many pennies on the watch and I don't never got a stun again. Latour.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
What's brackin'? Brand new whip, new mansion. Brand new tips, new dances. Same old, new magnums. Same old, new maggots. Same old throne, new dragons. Same old strong, new ashes. I can pass that back like magic, yeah. I ain't capping, I'm lit, I'm active, yeah. Look 5 and they pop like packs and yak. I'm drowning this milk like Applejack. I sell a dream, put tax on that. Look slime, they pop that slap and slap. Obama press roll, that's black on black. Yeah, 99 problems, the chain one, yeah. Numbers don't lie, that's the aftermath, yeah. What's poppin'? Brand new phone, just dropped it. I got options. I bust down a couple Apple Watches. Hello. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back, with friends on. Ooh, I'ma bust all in the skin tone. I be messed up as Ken Jong. Ooh, dark hair like she go. I like I'm blind like me though. Although I'm dying called Leo. I was still slide like Neo. Keep all around my pre-roll. New Orleans, I'm Creole.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Happy birthday, my handsome Prince Charming Ramel, the most funniest kid on the block. You are the best. You are so helpful. You are so knowledgeable. Just take all those gifts that you have and finish school at the top of your class. I love you. Many blessings to you. Oh, stop. Say happy birthday. We love you. We love you. Mwah. To who? Say happy birthday, Ella. Taking up now. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mel.
Say happy birthday, Mel.
I don't care.
What? Yes, you do. You said happy birthday earlier. Say I love you, Mel. Say it. I love you, Mel.
I love you, Mel.
Say bye.
Bye.
From your sisters and brothers. To my big grandson,
And I'm doing this chicken to make it some sweet chicken. Okay, honey mustard chicken.
All right.
Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah.
Okay, good. Happy birthday, Ramel, from Auntie Chantel.
Mamaru. Come on, Mamaru. Mamaru.
And Usagi. All right, we say happy birthday to my first nephew. I love you. Hopefully see you on Friday.
Happy birthday, Ramel.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ramel. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a good day.
Hey, Ramel.
Hi,
Me and Ami.
Hi, Ami.
Hey, Ramel.
Hi, Mel.
Hey, we calling to give you a happy birthday, okay, son?
Okay, son.
You want to sing happy birthday to your brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, big brother Ramel. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Love you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ramel, from your Auntie Ro. I love you with everything I have in me. Just know I'm always here for you. I love how you're growing to be a great young man. You're a great big sibling to your siblings, and I just love you. I love you for who you are and how you are. Just continue to grow kind and sweet. Just know I love you.
Happy birthday, Ramel. Love you. I just hope that you use Jesus as your example, especially now that you're 12 and you're getting older from here on out. All right. Love you again. I hope you have a great day and you have a lot of fun.
You're a big boy now. Be good and listen to your mother, no matter what.
Gamer versus Gamer. Video game birthday party service.
And we look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer versus Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.